Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Mango pineapple cobbler is a delicious homemade cake like dessert. This recipe is incredibly easy. This recipe will serve 4, so let's get started. I am using 8 by 6 inch Pyrex dish for baking. I will add all the ingredients to the baking dish one at a time. I am using 2.5 cup cubed mangoes. These are frozen mangoes. If you have fresh mangoes, they will even work better. So here. Next is pineapple. 1 4 cup crushed pineapple. Again, I am using the canned pineapple and these are unsweetened pineapple. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it together. Okay, spread it out evenly. I am using 1 cup of vanilla cake mix, so spread it over evenly. I have 5 tablespoons of cold butter which I have sliced, so you can spread this over evenly. I am ready to bake mango pineapple cobbler. I have already preheated the oven 350 degree Fahrenheit. This should be golden brown on the top and fruits should be bubbling. This should take about 35 to 40 minutes. Mango pineapple cobbler is ready. Looking very delicious, nice brown color, and it has a very nice aroma. You can smell this all over the house. I like to serve this with ice cream. This is a hit with my friends and with my family. Enjoy mango pineapple cobbler. If you enjoy the recipe, share the video with your friends. Thank you till we meet again.